County until 9:29 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rainbow City, Springville, Odenville, Margaret, Asheville, Ragland, Ohatchee, Neely Henry Lake, Logan Martin Lake, Branchville, Southside, Wattsville, I-59 rest areas at Oneonta, Caldwell, St. Clair Springs and Neely Henry Dam. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.